What's up, what to do? It's your girl T Sade back at it again with another video. Now today, you guys, I have some lobster tails, eggs, and noodles. Something very, very simple. Excuse my nails. Yeah, I should have. Yeah, don't mind my nails. Okay. So with that being said, we're going to prayer. And I'm gonna do a quick prayer. And we're gonna eat. Amen. Very quick. This is what I have to drink. Let's pop this bad boy open. Okay, so that's that. Let's dig in because I am hungry. Ooh, look at them noodles. This is going to be very, very good. Got my lobster tails. Put that shell right here. Okay. I want an onion. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get an onion. Then we also get a bite. So good. Now I'll use some ramen noodles. I also got some egg. Y'all, it's hot. This is so good, y'all. I'm gonna get another bite of lobster tail. So good. This is so good. I haven't had no noodles in a long time. This is so good. Got a little piece of lobster. Y'all see that? Look at all them onions right there. So good. Really good. Really, really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this drink. Well, I had this before, but to wash it down. Let's get this other piece of lobster tail out. Really good noodle. Okay. Oh yeah. Maybe I should just put some noodles on top of it. Is there any onions? Yeah, get the onions and stuff. Get the onions and stuff on there. Okay, there we go. Don't fall. Excuse me. Look. Noodles so good. So delicious, y'all. That's good. Mm. Mm. This is in the spot, y'all. Woo. So delicious. Okay. Okay, we got this. Mmm. 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 Y'all know what y'all missing. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Mm. Now I'm gonna get this egg, get this little piece of lobster tail, get some noodles on top of it. Uh-oh. Get some noodles on top of it. I hope it don't fall. Get a piece of onion. And we about to eat it. Here you go, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Mmm. 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 I need another drink. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me. This is so good. Ooh, I should have put some cheese in it. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Coconut. That is good. I'm eating too fast. I probably shouldn't be eating so fast. Mmm. Mmm. Next time I make this, I'm gonna put some shrimp in here and some sausage. Yes, sir. Mmm. That was so delicious. I think I will take one more bite. Yes, sir. I wish I had some lobster tails. Some lobster tails. Good. I haven't had them. Well, I had a last video, but I've been eating my mac and prawns. Y'all know I love my mac and prawns. But fortunately, they ain't selling them no more. Where? I mean, they all out, so it is what it is. Gonna have to improvise. I usually eat all seafood except oysters. Any other seafood I usually. Oh, Kobe, what is that seafood you like? Them it comes in the shell. What's the name of it, y'all? Kobe, what's some things that you love to eat?
Mussels.
Mussels, yes. So I've had that in a while. So next time, I don't know. Yeah, mussels is pretty good. Oh yeah, what else was it? What is crawfish? I like crawfish, but one time I was eating a crawfish, and you know how you have to rip the tail off, right? And I looked inside, and there was a whole bunch of I think the crawfish was having babies or something, because I seen a whole bunch of eggs, and that just turned me completely off. I'm like, I can't eat this no more. I have to wait the rest of that food, like the rest of that crawfish, I'm gonna say, like, It's just so disgusting. But yeah. I used to be scared of eating crawfish because you can see the face. Anything with a face, I just can't eat. I'm like, no. I remember I went to, where did I go? Texas. And they served me some shrimp with the head on. I guess that's how it came, because I wanted me a bag. Well, and I was so scared. I couldn't eat it. I don't know why. I don't want to see no eyeballs when I'm eating. I don't know if there's other people out there that's the same way, but I can't do it. Oof. Oh yeah, I said I was about to let y'all go, didn't I? Okay, let me take one more bite, because this is bomb. This is really, it's really good. Very good, y'all. So, trying to hurry up. I have to take my son to karate class. So, I'm full. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, show your girls some love, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.